Hi viewers, we're at Lanzabuggy in Lanzarote. These are all the sort of vehicles you can get here: dune buggies, Can-Ams, and I also believe they do quad bikes. But today we're going on a Trike, one there in the background. Not sure if that's the one we're going to be using, but we'll see in a few minutes. We're doing the 2-hour tour, the 2-hour Vulcan tour, so hopefully I can get some good footage of the island and show you how beautiful this island actually is. You can also get camel rides here. Probably see people there in the background on the camels. Also, Lanzarote Cabello is based here, so if you fancy a bit of horse riding, hope you enjoy the video. These are the Can-Am vehicles that are available here, and also there, the red one is the Slingshot.
One of those.
And away we go.
This is how we end up, shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle, my dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. How we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
One for the resting, for the adjusting, one for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town, one for the shattered plans. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive, so we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. Let us where we fall once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. You need a high throne where you can be adored. You'll get what you deserve. This town is no fun. Your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive, so we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. Let us where we fall once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. One for the rusting, for the adjusting, one for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town, one for the shattered plans.